tribe. And earlier, you've also seen the variation of Ifugao, Bahag. Alright, so lahi-lahi na siya ha. What I'm trying to say is we have a lot of tribes in the Cordillera regions, and each of that tribe has their own distinct, difference from the other. Okay, so Kuya Ja, how it's being, Oma, come here. No, look, you're just gonna, put it on, alright? So, taas siya, okay? So first is, we will determine the length of the frontal portion, this one. Okay? Okay. Yes. And the thing here is that the frontal needs to be like just a bit under the knee. Okay? And the back tail must be longer than the front. Alright? So Kuya Ja, let's do it. Oh, this must be a blessing, a shower of blessing. Blessing is pouring down from the sky. We're just gonna do this really quick. So he's alright, and then hold that there on your shoulder. Okay, then gunitan mo siya sa tubangan para dili siya mairog-irog. Okay, there, gunitin siya. And then pasulod mo kamot ka na. Alright, and pinahuna siya sa likod. Okay, depende sa lang tightness. If ginakagluwag ang baha, you can. But if ginakaghugot, para ma-secure ang ito.
I know I brought it for a reason, man.
So we need to...
No, you know I brought it for a reason.
Pull it tightly.
No, I didn't.
Okay, saka na siya. And then tuyo. Before ituyo, kuya, ako ipakita ang likod. So this is how it looks like at the back. For now, okay? So kuya, diyan na, talikod lang. And matuyok siya. Once matuyok siya, okay, dayon, ipasulod siya. There. Okay. Dira ang medyo tense na part. Okay. I-pull up na siya. Oo. Kana.
Okay, stop.
Now you get the experience. What's the feeling with the noun? Ang bahag, ha? Ang bahag. What I'm trying to say is the bahag. Okay, since taas-taas pa ang bilin na left sa likod, so you can just adjust it. Okay? Imo siyang i-fold and then secure it at the back. Okay? There. Alright. Now, there you have it. Easy. Okay? Oh, wait, I forgot. What's your name?
My name is John Lloyd Emeragay from the Foundation University.
What's your college?
College of Education.
Oh, diba? Dapat kabalo ka ani. Have you tried wearing bahag before or do you know how to wear it?
No, I haven't.
It's just now that you know about it. Now you can teach your students about that. Huh? What's your major?
English.
English. Alright, all good. Okay. You go backstage and we'll get that, huh? Kaya medyo mahal-mahal lang. well, honestly speaking, this type of clothing is a bit expensive, and the price is worth the value because this is handcrafted. This is handmade by the people of the Cordillera region. So this is not just